So I finally decided to move this pile of wood sitting here on the floor and put it up on the wall. I'm going to be making some really simple wood storage wall racks. All I'm going to be using is 2x4 scraps, some 3/4 inch plywood scraps. I'll be gluing, screwing, nailing, and then I'll also be using Tapcons to install them in the wall. I have a block wall, but if you had wood studs, you could just use regular wood screws and that would be a lot easier. But I will have to be drilling with masonry bits so I can attach these Tapcons to the wall. So each of my wall brackets will be 16 inches deep total, and they'll be 7 inches tall, and that gives me enough room to screw at the top, the bottom, and the middle into the wall so they're extra sturdy. I'm making the brackets as individual pieces, and I'm going to be making 5 of them. So I need 5 pieces cut at 7 inches and 5 pieces cut at 14.5 inches. So this will be the wall support, and then this will get screwed in 1 inch down to leave space for me to screw it into the wall. And then I'll be making a plywood edge on either side to help support the weight. I'm going to be gluing and screwing or nailing everything throughout this process just to make sure it's all extra sturdy. So the next step is to cut the plywood, the width of the top of this bracket down to the bottom, which is just a hair under 6 inches. So I'll cut it at 5 3/4 on my table saw, and then I'll come and add a taper to the end of it as well on the table saw. So this piece will come in sandwich right here. I made it 14.5, the same length as this piece. I probably should have made it 16 so it goes all the way to the top, but I didn't. It shouldn't be that big of an issue. But now I'm going to mark the taper from here down to the bottom of the 2x4 here, and then I'll make a quick jig and cut that taper out on the table saw. All right, I got all my tapers cut, so now it's just time to assemble everything, and then they're ready to be installed onto the wall. I added screws after everything was nailed just for extra support. I then drill 3 holes in each bracket to attach to the wall. So to mount this on the wall, I want to make sure that the bottom here is higher than 4 feet. That way I can still slide a full sheet of plywood up against the wall here, and that's where I'll store my plywood. I'm going to be attaching a string line to the end of this conduit that I have running down here. And then I'll attach to the other wall as well. That'll help me keep everything level as I line all these up. I ended up using a piece of twine for my string line, and it had a lot of like fuzzy and hair pieces coming off of it, so it wouldn't lay flat against the wood, and it sort of wasn't working out very well, so I ended up just taking it down and just using a regular 4-foot level instead. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.